welcome back to the JD Mexican channel.
Yo.
We got a good one today. We're about to slam the Forester. We got the coilovers now.
Yeah, and hopefully we get it done today.
Yeah, because we got to go to work tomorrow, so. Anyways, like that Benji. Say what's up, Benji. Don't know. Yeah, anyways, we got the coilovers. We're gonna put them in here. We're gonna open them up, and we're gonna get working on the Forester. It's Sunday, so we're gonna try to get it all done today. Alright. Jose's unboxing his new coilovers. My boy's a little too excited right now.
I know, bro. We dropped a pretty penny, so I have the right to be, bro.
There's all the Subi. There's the coilovers.
Review on one. There they are. Silver's Neo Max.
Yes, sir.
These things look nice, dude.
About to drop the monster truck, the monster car.
Ready for monster jam,
Alright,
bro.
well, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna start jacking up the car. We actually just went to Harbor Freight and bought some jack stands, so we're probably gonna turn into a meme too, so we'll see. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so here's our Harbor Freight jack stands. We're gonna trust them. We're gonna trust them with the Jose Subaru for the first time, so let's get these opened up. We're gonna jack up the car and get all 4 on jack stands and get working on this. Alright, boys, we got the Harbor Freight jack stands on the car. How you feeling, bro?
Good, bro. The fun part is about to start.
Yes, sir. So we are taking off all the wheels, and then we're gonna get started on taking off all of this here and taking off the stock suspension and putting in the new one. So we'll get you guys as soon as we start working on that.
Alright, I'll help you guys plus.
Alright, boys, we're almost done taking off the front suspension off. We just need to get this off here, but it's being a little stubborn. We sprayed some PB on it, so we're just gonna let it settle real quick, and then let's see how the back's looking. Here's the back. Alright, boys, first front suspension piece is off. Now we're gonna go do the other side. Trash. Alright guys, so typical working on the car day, we need a new CV axle. So we're about to go to the parts store and get a new CV axle and replace it, and then we're going to keep working on the suspension.
Possible. So you're opening up at all? Okay, then I can just give you a different one.
How's it going, bro?
It's going. I've gone to the store like 5 times already.
But we're getting somewhere.
Yeah, we are.
As soon as we replace this CV axle, we already got all the coilovers installed on 3. We just need to finish this one here and put the wheels back on, see how it looks, and we're getting somewhere. Yeah, I'll show you guys right now how it looks. So we're getting the CV axle taken out now. The other part is loose too, bro. You can pull it in. How many Mexicans does it take?
Need something to catch the oil, bro.
Yeah, you're losing
And
a lot
$2.
of oil.
Yeah, you're losing oil. We need something.
You got a catch can, bro?
Vamos a apretar como
Alright, boys, we got the new CV axle installed.
This size, because this one's
It was hard to get it in there, but it's all done now. We're just gonna tighten all this stuff up,
It even said it,
and then we'll make sure everything is parked the way it's supposed to be,
O'Reilly or
and put the wheels on, drop the car, see how it looks. Alright, boys, 6th trip to the parts store. Hopefully the last one though. We're in the Rexy right now. What do you think, Jose?
Yeah, it's been a day. This is like not. I think this is like this. Yeah, 6th or 7th
Like
trip.
6th or 7th trip, bro.
Yeah, so you guys, as you seen in the video, had to replace the CV axle. Have to get differential fluid now because it all leaked out. Yeah, it's been quite a day. The coils are on though.
We need some cotter pins.
We need cotter pins. What else?
Let's see, what else do we need?
Well, we already.
The socket that we have for to tighten the CV axle nut, it's too thick now, so it won't tighten it. So now we got to get another one too. So
Yeah.
it's been a day though. But
Yeah,
we're almost
so
done.
Probably about.
Got it.
Yeah, where are we at? Like probably like 200, 250 bucks in the hole now. But it's okay. We have more tools for the garage, which is a plus, because like Carlos said, you never know when you're gonna need different tools, as we're learning right now. But yeah, so it's a good day.
It's been a good day. Anyways, we're gonna hit the store real quick. We're gonna drive back. We're gonna put the wheels back on, get everything tightened up, everything looking good, and then we'll get a little video of the car, see how it looks. So anyways, just keep staying tuned.
Yep.
All right, guys, we got all the coilovers on now. We're about to throw the wheels on. Everything is tightened up. Now we're just gonna put the wheels on, drop the car, and see how it looks. Here's the other side
Yeah, they're in the box.
and the fronts,
Yeah, they gave you
and Sesame and Benji. How you feeling, dog?
Good, bro. It's almost a moment of truth. Just gotta do the differential fluid right now, and then.
Oh yeah, we still gotta do the diff fluid, and should be the last thing. So anyway, let's get into it.
Crazy for this shit.
All right, bros, we adjusted the coils a little bit, raise them up just a tad bit. Jose's putting on the back wheel right now. Fitment is looking good. What do you think?
It looks great, bro. The real test is gonna be on my drive home today.
Oh yeah, or getting out my driveway.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna do the rest of the wheels, and then we're gonna take the jack stands off, and we're gonna drop the car and see how it looks. So we'll get to you guys once we do all that. All right, boys, we got the front dropped. We're about to drop the back.
You're good. You guys just keep going. Go a little bit back.
He said this is crazy, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna fucking cruise, dog.
I'm gonna cruise. Alright, good.
That's fucking great.
So, where's your measuring tape?
I think it needs to go lower in the front. That's what it needs. Alrighty, boys. We're all finished up here. We adjusted the front, the back, everything looking good now. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think, Jassa?
It was cool. It was a day, but we got it.
It's dark outside.
Yeah.
The other Subi. Oh yeah. It's looking good, looking good. Check it out. Just needs woo!
Always like that.
Yeah, dude.
Hatchbacks, that's my favorite.
It's looking good. Alright, Justin's about to back out of my driveway for the first time. Hey, wait. You're good. It's just the plastic at the bottom. It's good.
Take it around the block.
Nah, it looks good, bro.
Oh yeah, and my driveway isn't like that. It's like half that size.
Yeah, you'll be alright. Looks sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today. Forester looks sick. Jose's about to go home. So I'll record the car while he drives away real quick so you guys can see how it looks.
Later.
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, leave some comments, leave some ideas, let us know what you think. We'll see you guys in the next one.